Hello, so I'm going to be talking about constructivism learning theory. And so basically this learning theory equates learning with creating a meaningful experience for the students. So for these students, this process of learning, for example here about the aquarium in my story, where they go, the students are able to interact with a problem and a concept. So in this particular short story, these students have visited the aquarium years prior and then came back. And so this instructor is asking the students to get into collaborative groups and asking them to kind of like engage with the aquarium to see what used to be here and what isn't anymore, and why they believe that has like come to be. And so they're being active in their learning and using their prior knowledge in order to think critically about the question that the instructor has raised. And because they're in a group, and being challenged to collaborate with each other, they're kind of put in a situation where they have to communicate with each other. And so mid-story, the instructor is like listening to their conversations, and then asks the students a different question. So like to think of how and why this is important to them, to society, to Earth in general, in specific, like why some of the animals aren't there anymore that used to be there, and how they can create solutions, so using problem solving, in order to generate ideas and strategies that their communities can input in order to strive towards helping these endangered creatures that they have like just come to love and see, and that they were expecting to see in their field trip today. And so so my short story just basically goes through a scenario where constructivism is being implemented in this classroom, but it's in a different environment, obviously, where interactive teaching strategies are just put into place. And so that is constructivism theory.